I'm sure there's many of us who have been watching Star Wars and wondered when would we ever experience those levitation cars and sit and ride in one of them. But here we are today with the Planar motion system, which gives you 2 degrees of motion with 6 degrees of freedom. So let's check this out. So what you're seeing here is the base which has got the energized coils, and the plates itself have the magnets. This is what causes the levitation magic. This kind of friction basically drives the plates by itself in motion. Besides that, gives you the angle and tilts that's required, as you can see here on the demo. Here what you're seeing is obviously small units which are packed onto the plate itself. But you can get larger plates which could do up to 4 kgs per plate, and you can combine 4 plates to obviously increase your weight load to 16 kgs distributed. The levitation itself can go up to 5 mm above the floor level, which gives you the flexibility of also doing tilts up to 5 degrees. So as you can see here, this is the beginning of levitation, and I see this as a whole new era of way to be used in theater and staging concepts. Levitation magic, and that's some amazing tech on the Technologist.